everybody and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. So today's recipe is another traditional authentic Goan recipe, which is the Goan Tendli Bhaji, which is tindora, also called tonli. So this bhaji is really easy, just 3 or 4 ingredients and you're all done. It's ready in less than 15 minutes. So let's jump straight ahead into the recipe and watch the video till the end. I'll give you a few tips about the recipe. So let's get started. and just make really quickly. Now I showed you a very small quantity because it's enough for 2 people, but you can always double the quantity. So I'm using about 150 grams. So if you want to make it for 4 people, double it up and double all the ingredients as well. Now when you're buying tondli, always look at the tondli. They should be nice and firm. They shouldn't be too light green or they shouldn't be very dark green. They should just be a light, nice green color. A very fresh color. They shouldn't become yellowish. They shouldn't be soft to the touch. They should be nice and firm, and a little bit of white here and there with little lines. It should look really fresh and nice. Also, when you're cutting the tondli and if you find that it's yellow or orange on the inside, please discard it. It should be pure white inside. It should look nice and fresh and always be firm. Now tondli or tendli grows on a vine, so whenever you buy it from the market, you'll always find some kind of black threads. That is nothing but the dead leaves and the stem. So what I like to do, and of course it also has some grit and mud on it also. So what I do is when I buy my tondli, I first take a big tub of water to which I add salt, and then I put the tondli inside, keep it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I give it a thorough wash, seeing that all those black threads, leaf kind of thing is all removed. I rinse it up again, and again I soak it for another 10 minutes in water with which salt has been added. And then I take it out and wipe each and every tondli really nice and clean, and then proceed with the recipe. So that's all you need to keep in mind. Also use freshly grated coconut and 1 onion and 1 chili, a little bit of salt. That's it guys, a super easy recipe. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to click the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups guys, so don't forget to click the like button. Do subscribe to my channel as well, it's completely free. And whenever you subscribe, click the all button, the notification bell, that way whenever I put up a recipe you will not miss out on it. So thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my videos. That is the biggest way you can support, is watch my entire video, share them with family and friends. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll see you. Bye.